Hi, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to update Google Chrome on phone. To make sure you're protected by the latest security updates, Google Chrome can automatically update when a new version of the browser is available on your device. With these updates, you might sometimes notice that your browser looks different. Get a Chrome update when available. Chrome should automatically update based upon your Play Store settings. You can check if there's a new version available. So, on your Android phone or tablet, open the Play Store app. Then, at the top right, tap the profile icon. Tap Manage Apps and Device. Under Updates available, see Details. Then just find Chrome. Next to Chrome, tap Update. So, you just need to wait for the update to finish. So, that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!